The 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 marks a significant evolution in Nissan's flagship SUV lineup. Unveiled on September 4, 2024, this 7th-generation model introduces a host of updates that blend performance, luxury, and advanced technology. A notable change is the transition from the traditional V8 engine to a more efficient 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering an impressive 425 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. This shift not only enhances power but also improves fuel efficiency, addressing modern environmental and economic considerations. Externally, the Y63 Patrol presents a bold and modern aesthetic. Its dimensions measure 5,320 mm in length, 2,115 mm in width, and 1,945 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 3,075 mm. The SUV's commanding presence is further accentuated by a redesigned front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular stance that underscores its off-road capabilities. The inclusion of 20-inch alloy wheels and a ground clearance of 244 mm ensures it remains adept at tackling diverse terrains. Inside, the Patrol Y63 offers a sanctuary of luxury and advanced technology. The cabin features quilted leather seats inspired by Japanese Kumiko craftsmanship, providing both comfort and elegance. Select trims elevate the experience with massaging seats and 8-way adjustments. A panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light, enhancing the sense of space. The integration of Nissan's Pro-Pilot technology introduces adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance, utilizing navigation data to adjust vehicle speed seamlessly for curves and interchanges. In terms of performance, the new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, replacing the previous 7-speed unit. This combination not only delivers a 7% increase in power and a 25% boost in torque but also contributes to a 20% improvement in fuel efficiency. The Patrol's off-road prowess is enhanced by the 4WD transfer mode interlock system, allowing drivers to switch seamlessly between four-wheel drive modes, and it boasts a water-weighting capability of up to 700 mm. Safety remains a priority in the Y63 Patrol. The introduction of Pro-Pilot technology offers adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance, enhancing driver confidence on various terrains. Additionally, the SUV's robust construction and advanced safety features ensure both driver and passenger protection. Pricing for the 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 varies by market and trim level. In the UAE, for instance, the base model starts at AED 239,900, with higher-end variants reaching up to AED 350,000. These prices reflect the Patrol's positioning as a premium SUV offering a blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. In summary, the 2025 Nissan Patrol Y63 redefines the standards for full-size SUVs. With its powerful yet efficient engine, sophisticated design, luxurious interiors, and advanced technological features, it stands poised to continue its legacy as a formidable contender in the global SUV market.